Hey guys, I'm just finishing some Select Rustic Hickory bar panels this afternoon. Great blend of colors in this pink of Select Rustic. Even got some blues. Got a lot of those pinks in there. A lot of the chocolate brown happening. Just a whole lot of really cool character. Got some wild knots going on. In a few days we'll show this one going in. I just wanted to show these panels. They look so cool. Everybody have a great evening. Hope everybody has a good Memorial Day weekend with your family. We'll talk real soon.